Is this our planet? This mighty beauty is happening on our planet. We know that there are planets in the solar system that have volcanoes. Venus is a good example. Earth is a good example. Satellite of Jupiter called Io is a very good example. We expect that they look like this, but this is on Earth. We are seeing it. It's in front of our eyes. A mighty beauty. A mighty beauty. What you see here is 200, 300 meters of mountain covered, overwhelmed by the lava. Eruption after eruption covering the flanks of the volcano, and then showing a display of beauty. It looks as if there are these kind of display lights you see in the historical place, Mount Olympus in Athens, who knows, Paris, London. This looked like that, but this is all natural. All natural. This is happening on our planet. The mighty beautiful.